Want to learn to read and write Japanese? Get the complete video course with bonus PDF worksheets at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Basic Japanese Writing, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to master the Japanese alphabet. You've learned these 25 hiragana characters from the previous lessons. In this lesson, you learn 5 new characters and 16 new sounds. I promise it will be easy, so stay tuned to learn all about them. The first hiragana character for this lesson is ha. Ha. To remember ha, imagine this part is a capital letter H and then there's a small a in front of it. Ha. Ha might look similar to ke, so it may be confusing. To tell the difference between them, remember that ha has a hoop. Did you miss the dakten last lesson? Well, this column can be modified by adding a dakten as well. Can you guess what the new sound will be after adding a dakten to ha? It will be ba, ha, ba, ha, ba. But wait, there's one more mark that can modify the H column. It's the handakten or Maru Mark. It looks like a small circle and it's placed in the same position as the dakten. This mark makes the consonant of the syllable plosive and it's unique to this column. Ha with the handakten is pronounced pa, ha, pa, ha, pa. A consonant is plosive when there's a big burst of air coming out of your mouth when you say it. Pa, pa. Try to feel the difference. Ha, ba, pa, pa. Ha is also a popular hiragana. It's a topic marking particle in Japanese. So the word or phrase that comes before it is the topic of the sentence. But be careful. Ha is pronounced differently when it's used as a topic marking particle. It will be pronounced as wa. For example, これは箸です。箱は大きいです。母は花が好き。Many native speakers actually find it hard to read this last example if it's written just in hiragana. This is where kanji is very useful. Knowing which part is a word and which part is a particle makes it easy to read Japanese. Okay, next up is the hiragana character, hi. Hi. Can you see a smiling mouth going hi 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 hi? Now, let's add a dakten to hi. Hi with a dakten is pronounced as bi. Hi, bi, hi, bi. And how will it sound like with a handakten? It's going to be pi, hi, pi, hi, pi. The third hiragana for this lesson is fu. It's not fu or fu, but somewhat in between fu, fu. It's a sound unique to Japanese, so let's remember it with something unique to Japan. Mount Fuji. Let's try adding a dakten to fu as well. How do you think it will sound? It's pronounced as bu. Listen carefully. Fu, bu, fu, bu. Now let's try it with the handakten. It becomes pu, fu, pu, fu, pu. Next is the hiragana character he. He. It looks like it's pointing up to heaven, where the sky is. Let's modify he with the dakten. It's now pronounced as be. He, be, he, be. And when he is modified with a handakuten, it will be pronounced as pe, he, pe, he, pe. He is the particle used to indicate the place towards which something is moving. Just like ha, he also changes pronunciation when used as a particle. In this case, we pronounce it as e, just like the hiragana e. Listen to some examples. 学校へ行く、駅へ行く。Our final character for this lesson is the hiragana ho. Ho. Try imagining a horse's face with its mane on the left side to remember this character. Does ho remind you of ha? They both have a hoop. So how do you remember them? Well, ho has 2 horizontal lines, and ha only has 1. So this means ha has only half the lines and ho has the whole lot. What does ho sound like with a dakuten? Ho with a dakuten is pronounced bo, ho, bo, ho, bo. And with a handakuten, it will be po, ho, po, ho, po. Let's see all the characters again. Ha, or if it's used as a particle, wa, ba, pa, hi, bi, pi, hu, bu, pu, he. Or if it is used as a particle, e, be, pe, ho, bo, po. Now, let's review what you've learned. I'll show you a character or a word and give you time to say them. Ready? Fu. Remember that it's like Mount Fuji. Bi. It has the handakuten which makes it plosive, so it's pe. Na. Remember, it's the complicated knot, right? Which one is the hiragana ha? It's this one with the hoop and half the horizontal lines as ho. Go. Chi. Hana. This means flower. Hiza. It's your knee. Fushigi. Fushigi means strange. Hanabi. This is Japanese for fireworks. Literally, it means fire flowers. Fukuzatsu. This means complicated. Hikidashi. Hikidashi is a drawer. Keppeki. It means perfectionist. Great job! As you learn more characters, you notice that some of them look similar. Try making a chart of your own, grouping similar characters and list down a unique feature you can find for each so that, when you see it, you can identify that specific character easily. Okay, let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what you've learned. In this lesson, you learned ha, ba, and pa, hi, bi, and pi, fu, bu, and pu, he, be, and pe, and ho, bo, and po. よくできました。You've now mastered 30 characters and 56 Japanese syllable sounds. Are the dakuten and handakuten marks getting too complicated? Don't worry, this is the last column you'll use them in. Next time, there's no need to use your head as much, but you learn how to say it in Japanese instead when we move on to the M column. Before you go, practice writing the following words on your own. And to learn more Japanese, go to JapanesePod101.com. Do you guys know about our Japanese dictionary? It's a great way to look up words you're not familiar with and find their meanings. Find any word and translation you're looking for with this powerful and easy-to-use tool. Search using Japanese or English and get bonus native audio pronunciation.
See you in the next lesson. またね